What up, YouTube? Seymour LO6. We would hop into some more easy mail. Oh, we got a music video. Heck yeah. We're gonna hop up in. If you guys new to the channel, like and subscribe. And let's hop up in this, man.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to.
I know this guy. I seen a long time ago. I used to look at his videos and stuff. He's funny. He got a lot of energy. I tell you that.
Hello?
Great school.
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
He's so animated.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Understand you can die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, my rose is standing. We think it's the Corleone fan, like OnlyFans. They fucked up in the short can, righteous in the broken land. All of that shit, all of that chat. We can be right to the rest. Talk with bitch, we can. We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey. We can be right to the rest. I cover the bottom, most people are starved. We can be right to the rest. That's what you call that, then y'all can't look at top hat. Fucking nigga want all that, you niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps, I came from other beginnings. Until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The land is full of sticks, I got a ton full of venom. Army in the village, better run a wrong place. Face the general, he's a fucking lieutenant. Let's get it. Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitches. I'm lyrically imminent, I'm billing your bitches. Some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from my at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it in mouth. Send me the addy, we put it in mouth. Fuck up the block, I'm running you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking just about that on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the straight with the extra best of something. With the living like a hope is rest in peace. Shit, I ain't playing, y'all need to beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quit shit. Stained up in a demon whip, got the cane cup, that a fiend can sip. My brother A, but letting the evil get let the thing fuck. Shit for the semen, tripping on top of a pool in the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting pulled up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she bent for the pole. So ready and good, it's said it before. They snakes of Medusa is set in stone. I've done some things that the reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they'll kick in my house and I'll go in the bed where the pelicans go. Cause I posse be like a hockey team. Gotta stick them with a semi, they pros. Like a monster, eating lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you go new planet house. His body on my body, gon' give it cost. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my body. They screwing us up in my heads like a sock. They deflating those pretty shots that they blind. Cause we locked some boys to set up the fast. So son gets a home and they set up his start. Quit all of that shit, all of that chat. Talking to bitch, we can. We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey.
Alright, what I think about this video right now? It's good. So far, it's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good. But I feel like they both doing pretty good. I think what's it called Easy. I think Easy. I think he kind of took it easy. I think he took it easy because that's his homie, friend, or whatever. So he didn't want to body him that too bad, but you know. So respect, I understand that, but I feel like he could have did more. But it's a good song though. I fuck with it. Super dope video though. Hope you guys like that one, man. Let me know what you guys think. If I could be wrong, maybe, I don't know. I just feel like he kind of they both did something. They both was fire. Both was fire. I feel like he kind of let the gas off a little bit. You know, this is my friend, so I'm not gonna torch him like that. So I did what I did. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment down below, subscribe to your boy, and share the video. And yes, I'll see you guys in the next one, man.